Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio for the Let's Come Show this video because it's amazing. Bro, today I received a new update for my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm ready to install Face. Are you ready? What is Face? As you can see, Face is iOS 16 and when you go on settings, general, software update, you can see here a new update. This update is iOS 16.1. So brand new iOS 16.1 brought to you every update that you can see here in front of you. Can you read this by yourself? Added everywhere. The update that I expect today is the battery percentage. I want to see the battery level, everything just like that. Can you see this? Just like that. I want to see this. Yeah, just yeah. I want to see this. People says that this update can fix face, face. Okay, and this is why I decided to download face update and install on my phone. Before doing this, let's see more information about RAM, internal storage, everything. Okay, beautiful. You can see memory. Available RAM. Wow, look at that. 932 megabytes. This is cool. This is what is this? Available storage. Look at that. Okay. No problem. Now let's try to download this amazing update. Are you ready? As you can see, 76 percentage. You need to charge your phone before doing this. Okay. I'm ready for that. Now click on download install, enter your passcode and downloading. What is this? Look at that. You need to read all of these terms. Agree and update requested. Okay. No problem. And you have about 5 minutes to download this amazing update. Okay. This is also depending of your network connection. Can you see this? This is what I use. This is not bad. It's amazing and cool. Wait a few minutes with me. Don't forget to comment share this video because it's amazing. Okay. As you can see, bro, there is something here. Preparing update. Seriously? Okay, process 30. You need to wait. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Okay, bro. Now we are ready to install this amazing update. Download it. Yes, you can install now. Verifying update. Are you ready? Get ready. Now look at that. Your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry. It's normal. Okay. and the process started. Okay, now wait a few minutes for finishing. Okay, there are something new here. What is face? Let's check. What? Put your passcode right now. Are you ready? Okay, welcome back. Wow, look at that. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.1. And look at here! Woo! The battery percentage. Look at the battery percentage and what? And what? Look at very well. Look at very well. Now you can see the level. Can you see this? The level of your battery percentage, like here. Can you see this? You can see percentage here, and what are you doing? And the level. What people like. You see what I expected. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. Happy. Yes. Now I am very, very happy. And more added and more added for you. Seriously? Okay. No problem. Let's go settings, general, and software update. Let's check. Ooh, iOS 16.1 is here. Woo! This is cool, bro. This is so nice. Okay. No problem. What? What is happening here? Oh. Nothing pure. Why? I don't know. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, very well. Let's check again. Seriously? Okay. iOS 64, give me more information about the RAM and internet storage right now. Because I want to see more. Let's see if you are changed here. Memory or memory. Look at that! And RAM 775 megabytes. Are you kidding me? What about storage? Still the same. Okay. No, bro. I think that I need to restart this phone right now. Okay, let's try. Power off. Slide to power off. Let's do it. And what? No, what is happening? Nothing. Okay, let's turn on this phone quickly. Woo! Power button. Let's do this. Apple logo. Welcome home. Okay, let me enter my passcode quickly because you are so beautiful. Can you see this? Beautiful. Notification panel. Nice. Cool. It's working. I can see. Cool. My widget also working. More information about battery. Now I have battery percentage. Oh, beautiful. It's still working. And And what? Let's see. Okay, now it appear. Yes, you need to restart your phone, and it's good now. More information, everything appear here, and cool, cool, cool. Now let's see more information about RAM and extra storage. Okay, I have more RAM now. Not bad, but I think that iPhone needs more RAM, bro. iPhone need more RAM. 6 GB of RAM is not enough for me. I want more, and I want also USB Type C here. What? Why Apple every year's lightning? I don't know. Are you telling me? Fixing USB Type C, my friend. What are you doing, Apple? I don't know. Wow. And my phone rock. Let's open camera. Go on video. The problem with iPhone update is that you have not the possibility to make a pause when you record videos. Something like pause and resume. This is not cool. I don't want program. I bought program for that. Look at that. Can you see this? Pause and resume. This is something I would like to see on Apple camera. Why Apple? I don't know. What are you doing? Every update, no update for camera, which is very embarrassing. Honestly, for this phone, this is the most expensive phone that I have. Do you believe this? I have ever bought any expensive phone like that. But why Apple? Why not USB Type C here? Why Apple 6 GB of RAM? Why not 12 GB of RAM? Why doing? Why this screen is not 4K screen, bro? Why? Why the battery is not big than my hand? Why doing? Okay, thank you for watching. You can ask for various questions in the commentary space. Ha ha ha. And now, let me go on TikTok to watch my videos. Right now, look at that. Lock screen. Beautiful. Good night. Ha.